Oversized
Let's
transfers.
get into it. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to use our oversized transfers on a nice comfort color t-shirt. Those t-shirts are a little bit more pricey, so you want to make sure that you measure, double measure, triple measure, make sure that you get it right. With this art here, I'm not using any tools because I use my eyes, and as you can see, the print is hanging off the heat press. My heat press is about 16 by 20. Even though the print is 16 by 21, it looks a little bit bigger on the press. So I'm taking my time. So I use the characters and the H there is the center of the shirt, so that's how I was able to align it and do that first press at 15 seconds, 320 degrees. All right, so now I flipped it, so I make sure that I have the whole front top covered. Then another 15 seconds. We're good there. Fold it and turn it around so I can get the bottom piece. Make sure that the material is completely stretched out so we don't have any bad press. Press it again for another 15 seconds. Alright, so now we completely have it all on the shirt. Bring it over to the table, let it cool down for a little bit. By the way, these transfers are warm peel, not really cold peel, but we say cold peel just to close down the margin of error. All right, so it's kind of like once you peel, you can actually do a check and see how the colors are just popping. Now, to seal the deal, we're gonna need to do one more press. I always recommend you use a Teflon sheet, even if you have a cover on your heat press. Use a Teflon sheet. I overlap mine just to make sure that all of it is covered. Press for about 10 seconds at 320 degrees. Flip it over so you can get all the angles. Because again, this is an oversized print, so it's a little bit bigger than the heat press. And then that's it. Take it over to the table. Look at the work carefully. Yeah, this was really nice. Love the shirt, nice and soft feel. Whoever gets this shirt is gonna be very happy. Get a close look. Look at the colors on this. This is amazing. Completely into the fibers of the shirt. Amazing. If I had to describe the feel, I would say more or less like a DTF feel. And I got this tool here for folding all my shirts from Amazon because I just like to finish up with a good presentation. My folding skills, they're okay. My printing skills is on point. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in a bag, and nothing much left to show you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more content like this, make sure you comment below, like this video, share it if you need to. Thanks for watching.